Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you guys how I do a high bun on my 4C natural hair. It's about to be raining here for the next few days in Vegas, so I just want to put my hair up in a way so that way I don't have to worry about it until it's time to wash it. So here I'm just going to put some water on my hair, brush my hair up to get it ready to get into a bun. And this is my favorite protective style, by the way. So I'm going in here with some of my Eco Styler gel, and I only use gel in general around the perimeter of my hair. I don't use it throughout my hair because gel does not play well with the length of my hair, so I can only use it around my edges, and I only use it just to slick down my hair and to get it to last a little bit longer so I don't have any frizzing or anything like that, because again I want this style to last for a few days because it is going to be raining here in Vegas, so I want to make sure that my hair holds up and I don't have to do too much to it throughout the week besides tie it up and then get up and get ready to go in the morning. So now I'm just taking a piece of fabric. I don't know where my hair ties are. Between me and my daughter, we lose them so often. So this is just a piece of fabric I'm using to pull my hair up into a high puff. And then I just tie it in the back. And then usually I just tuck the end pieces in just to hide it once I put my bun in place. So here I'm separating my hair, kind of just making like a bird's nest out of it. And then I'm going to take a donut, just a regular donut that you get from the beauty supply or Walmart, and place it in the middle of my hair like so. And it's important to get the mesh donuts, so the ones that kind of look like it's netting, because what we're gonna do is we're gonna stick the bobby pins into them, sort of like a pin cushion. So you want to make sure it's not a solid donut, that it's a mesh one. So here I'm just tying my hair around the bobby pin and then placing it into the donut on top of my head. And then I'm just giving my section a little twist and then opening up the bobby pin and wrapping my hair around it and then putting it down into the donut. Now, this style is a protective style, so you want to make sure when you're putting your bobby pins down, you're not putting it down into the middle of the bobby pin into your hair. You want to make sure that you're sticking the bobby pins into the donut itself, so that way the bobby pins aren't touching your scalp or anything like that, or causing any type of pull or anything on your hair, because it's meant to be a protective style. It's not supposed to hurt, not supposed to pull, so make sure you're sticking the bobby pins into the donut. So that's why it's important that you have a mesh one that you can that has holes in it that you can put the bobby pins through. So here I'm just taking the last section, or the second to last section, and wrapping the hair around the bobby pin and then sticking it down into the donut. And the donut just helps it to keep its shape, its circular shape. As you can see, my hair is thicker than the donut itself, so the donut's not that big that you see there. It's just helping to guide me to get that circular shape. And you can definitely do this without the donut if your hair is thick enough in the middle. And I just tied it down for a few minutes so that way my edges can lay, and there you have it. This is how I do a high bun on my 4C natural hair. You see in the middle, that's what it looks like. You can hide your bobby pins better than I did, but I normally don't care. This is just a quick protective style for me, something that I can do under 10 minutes. I can do it really quickly when I wake up in the morning, or I can do it before bed, wear it to work, and that's it. So if you enjoyed this and it was helpful, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.